Hey there, food lovers! Today, we're diving into a classic Italian appetizer that's bursting with flavor: Caprese Skewers. These little bites are the perfect way to impress your guests with minimal effort. The best part? They're incredibly easy to make. Get ready to enjoy the delicious combination of juicy tomatoes, creamy mozzarella, and fresh basil, all in one delightful skewer. Whether you're hosting a party or simply craving a refreshing snack, Caprese Skewers are always a hit. They're light, refreshing, and oh so delicious. So let's gather our ingredients and get started on this culinary adventure. To create these tasty skewers, you'll need just a handful of fresh ingredients. The key to making these skewers truly delicious lies in the quality and freshness of the ingredients you choose. Don't worry, we're keeping it simple. Here's your shopping list. Just a few items, but each one plays a crucial role in the final flavor. Fresh basil leaves. Look for vibrant green leaves with a fragrant aroma. The basil will add a fresh, herbaceous note that complements the other ingredients perfectly. Ripe tomatoes. Choose tomatoes that are firm, plump, and bursting with flavor. The juiciness and sweetness of the tomatoes are essential for a balanced taste. Fresh mozzarella balls. Opt for small mozzarella balls, also known as bocconcini, for perfect skewer bites. Their creamy texture pairs wonderfully with the other ingredients. Extra virgin olive oil. A drizzle of good quality olive oil adds richness and depth of flavor. It also helps to bring all the ingredients together. Balsamic glaze. This sweet and tangy glaze elevates the skewers to a whole new level of deliciousness. It adds a perfect balance of acidity and sweetness. Salt and freshly ground black pepper. Season to taste and enhance the flavors. A little bit of seasoning goes a long way in making the flavors pop. Wooden or metal skewers. Choose skewers that are appropriate for the size of your ingredients. Make sure they are sturdy enough to hold everything together. Remember, fresh ingredients are key to making your Caprese skewers truly shine. The fresher the ingredients, the better the taste and presentation. So head to your local market and select the best quality produce you can find. Supporting local farmers not only ensures freshness, but also helps the community. Now that we have our ingredients ready, let's move on to the fun part. Assembling the skewers. This is where you can get creative and enjoy the process. Creating Caprese skewers is as easy as 1, 2, 3. These delightful appetizers are not only simple to make, but also incredibly delicious and visually appealing. Follow these simple steps, and you'll be enjoying these delightful bites in no time. Perfect for any gathering or just a quick snack. Step 1. Wash and dry your tomatoes and basil leaves. Fresh ingredients are key to making these skewers taste their best. Slice your tomatoes into bite-sized pieces, ensuring they are roughly the same size as your mozzarella balls. This helps in creating a balanced bite. Step 2. Gently fold each basil leaf in half lengthwise and thread it onto the skewer. This adds a burst of fresh flavor to each bite. Follow with a mozzarella ball, then a tomato slice. The combination of these ingredients is what makes Caprese skewers so special. Repeat this pattern until your skewer is full. You can make as many as you need, depending on the size of your gathering. Step 3. Arrange your skewers on a serving platter. Presentation is key, so take a moment to make them look inviting. Drizzle generously with extra virgin olive oil and balsamic glaze. This adds a rich, tangy flavor that complements the fresh ingredients. Season with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. A little seasoning goes a long way in enhancing the flavors. That's it. You've just created beautiful and delicious Caprese skewers. They are sure to impress your guests. See, I told you it was easy. With just a few simple steps, you have a gourmet appetizer ready to serve. Now let's talk about why this recipe is perfect for any occasion. Whether it's a casual get-together or a formal event, Caprese skewers are always a hit. Their vibrant colors and fresh flavors make them a crowd pleaser every time. Time-saving delight, perfect for any occasion. Whether it's a casual get-together or a formal event, these skewers fit right in. Caprese skewers are not only delicious, but also incredibly quick and easy to make. With just a handful of fresh ingredients, you can whip these up in no time. With just a few simple steps, you can have these tasty appetizers ready to impress your guests in no time. They are perfect for any occasion, from a casual brunch to an elegant dinner party. The beauty of this recipe lies in its simplicity. Fresh mozzarella, ripe tomatoes, and fragrant basil come together in a harmonious blend. You don't need to be a master chef to create these flavorful skewers. Even a novice in the kitchen can make them with ease. Even if you're short on time, Caprese skewers are a lifesaver. They can be prepared in advance and assembled quickly when needed. Whether you're hosting a last-minute gathering or need a quick and satisfying snack, this recipe is your go-to solution. It's versatile and always a crowd pleaser. Now let's add the finishing touch that will elevate your Caprese skewers to the next level. A drizzle of balsamic glaze and a sprinkle of sea salt will make them truly unforgettable. The finishing touch, a drizzle of flavor. The final step is what takes these skewers from simple to sensational. While the olive oil and balsamic glaze provide a wonderful base, a sprinkle of freshly chopped basil adds a burst of freshness that's simply irresistible. Take a moment to savor the aroma as you bring the skewers to your mouth. The sweetness of the tomatoes, the creaminess of the mozzarella, the pepperiness of the basil, all enhanced by the tangy glaze and robust olive oil. It's a symphony of flavors that will have you reaching for more. Conclusion: enjoy the flavors of Italy, and there you have it, Caprese skewers that are as easy to make as they are delicious. With fresh ingredients and a few simple steps, you can enjoy a taste of Italy anytime. These skewers are perfect for parties, picnics, or a light and refreshing snack. So gather your ingredients, put on your apron, and get ready to impress your family and friends with this classic Italian favorite. Buon appetito!